In this video, we will learn why data security is crucial in today's digital world. Your personal information, financial records, and company secrets are all valuable targets for attackers. Losing this data can have severe consequences, from identity theft to major business disruption. So, how do we protect our valuable data? The answer lies in encryption, which transforms your readable information into a secret code. Encryption protects data in two main states: at rest, when stored on servers, and in transit, as it travels across networks. Both need robust security. While encryption is powerful, managing all those keys for different applications and services can become incredibly complex and error-prone. This is where AWS Key Management Service, or KMS, steps in. KMS provides a central, user-friendly service to create, manage, and control your cryptographic keys. With KMS, you can easily generate new, highly secure encryption keys. KMS integrates seamlessly with other AWS services, making encryption incredibly easy. Let's see how this works with Amazon S3. When you upload sensitive data to an S3 bucket, S3 doesn't just store it. It first requests an encryption key from KMS. KMS provides S3 with a unique data key. S3 then uses this key to encrypt your data before it's securely written to storage. When an authorized user accesses this data, S3 retrieves the encrypted content and sends the encrypted data key back to KMS for decryption. KMS decrypts the data key, which S3 then uses to decrypt your content, delivering it seamlessly. KMS uses FIPS 142-2 Validated Hardware Security Modules, HSMs, to protect your keys, meeting stringent security and compliance requirements. By leveraging AWS KMS, you can confidently implement robust data security controls across all your AWS services. You've gained the tools to protect your data effectively and ensure compliance.
Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.